everybody, this is Dipti Harshad Vartak and welcome to my baking channel. Today we are going to see how to do a pull me up cake. Alright, so I'll just show you the technique, how it is done. It is very simple. Even if you don't know how to decorate your cake nicely, how to have those lovely smooth sides around your cake, you can still go ahead and do this technique. So for pull me up cake, we are starting with this crumb coated cake. The idea is extremely simple, or the method is very simple. You get such acetate sheets in the market. They are specifically used for making pull me up cakes only. Alright, now say for example you do not get these kind of sheets in your city. What you can do is you can go to stationery shops and you can ask them for OHP sheets. OHP sheets are nothing but these transparent sheets only, but they do not have a length like this. So they will be of A4 size. Okay, so this is A4 size OHP sheet for you. What you can do is you can keep two OHP sheets side by side and then you can use sellotape to just stick them together. Alright, so use two OHP sheets of A4 size side by side. Use sellotape to stick them together. You will have one OHP sheet which is of this length. Alright, now what you can do is you can start wrapping your cake around like this. Okay, we are going to seal that using sellotape. That's it. Please remember that the crumb coating on this cake has to be done very well. Alright, otherwise your OHP sheet will not stick directly to the cake. Now you can see all the sides are like looking very nice. Now on top of this you can put anything. You can put cut strawberries, you can put jams, you can put marshmallows, you can do some decoration on top of it. Put a nice happy birthday tag on top of this, or happy anniversary tag, whatever you want to put you can put. Now in order to complete this cake, you also get such jars easily available in the market. Use those jars. And then, so this is a chocolate icing that I have made using fresh cream and chocolate. Same ratio I have taken, and using double boiler method or microwave method or gas method, you can make this particular icing. Just pour it directly in this. So whenever you have an order for this kind of a cake, you have to give chocolate sauce separately with your cake. Alright. Also, do not forget to tell your clients that whenever they are going to cut the cake, they are supposed to heat this in microwave so that the consistency of the chocolate icing will be watery. Alright, we want the consistency of the chocolate icing to be like this, so that whenever they pour this chocolate icing on top of it and when they pull this cake up, all the chocolate is just going to fall around the cake. Alright, so that is so let's do some simple decoration. These Cadbury shorts, they look absolutely cute. You can add some marshmallows as well. They also look absolutely amazing and kids would just love it. Finally, the happy birthday tag, which goes right in the center, and it will stay like that. Alright, if you have some gems you can put them as well. And that's your pull me up cake. So whenever your client pours this hot chocolate icing on top of these, and when he pulls it, the chocolate will all fall down on the cake, and that is your pull me up cake. So I hope you have loved this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever a new video comes in, you get notified about it. Thank you so much.